Welcome to Air Force One.
Can I play with madness?
Honestly, it's such a beautiful airplane.
Give me the sense to wonder if I'm free.
This machine enables us to do a European itinerary on an intercontinental basis. So, it's our time machine. It's our magic carpet. I'm in Seattle because there's 16,000 people here bought a ticket to come see Iron Maiden.
Don't need no key to unlock this door.
We're going to be having a chat with a lot of Boeing employees about anything you want, really. Probably airplanes and maybe a bit of rock and roll. The album cover effectively is the tail with Eddie on it. Book of Souls.